Titanium.
Oh, that's so light.
F80X.
What was that? Holy shit.
Okay. Professional photographer. Alright guys, we're here at Brandon's garage. Check it out. We're gonna install the exhaust from Valvemaster. My man Isaac, right here.
How's it going?
In there. What's up? I'll put his Instagram details right down here somewhere. But I haven't even opened the box yet, so check this out.
That's how it was when I got it. Without Tronic. I bought it, or I didn't buy it. They sent it, and then like weeks later, I finally opened it.
I know, that was me.
What did they send me?
I don't know what that is.
I'm assuming all the remotes.
Hopefully it's all plug and play like the AMG.
I would assume so. It's the same brand, isn't it?
Yeah, it was all plug and play, that stuff.
It is titanium.
Oh, that's so light.
Is it?
That's the muffler.
Is it?
Yeah.
Dude, opening exhaust is actually fun, even when it's not yours.
So I was telling Brandon earlier about, you know, the F80s, F82s. They never really sound good, even with an aftermarket exhaust. So I'm letting you guys know, you guys might be disappointed, it might sound raspy, like a typical F80, F82.
Is ready?
Ready. Oh shit, look at that.
Oh shit.
Oh dang.
That's the bottom.
Okay.
Or the top, so it's tucked up, you don't see that, but this is what should have some stuff done to it right there.
Is it all badged up?
Yep.
F8X.
There you go.
That is beautiful.
Beautiful exhaust.
Gosh, look how light it is.
Really?
We addicted to fast cars, bad bras, late nights, last calls, alcohol, bad. Just scrolling through the phone log, hit 'em up, all my pick 'em up. We about to have a time tonight.
These are remotes.
Oh, fancy, huh?
Maybe it's just an auxiliary remote system.
You gotta put it on.
Yeah, right.
Oh no, it's not. Push it up 2. There you go. Is that stock? All right, dude. Not that loud.
Not that loud. Loud for a stock car. Not that loud for a modified.
Typical F80, F82 sound. Here's the stock system. Just a VRSF mid-pipe, which really didn't do much for sound at all over the stock mid-pipe. So we've got a full exhaust system now. You can't find the right tool in this garage. What's the line from Fast and Furious?
You can't find the right tool in this garage, Mr. Arizona? You don't belong near a car.
I guess it's really bright out right now. So. Dude, this carbon looks so good.
Ready?
Is it warm?
It's pretty strong.
Oh, it's not bad. Oh, my camera's on, it's recording.
Yeah, it's the last piece.
Yeah. Look at that last piece. It's been like 10-15 minutes.
Okay, nice frame.
Yeah. If you guys want to see a link to Brandon's video, I'll put a link down in the description below. If he ever puts that video out.
Yeah,
Like,
if it ever goes out.
6 months later.
But little things like that is like, come on, you don't notice this stuff? Like, huh?
That's it.
Oh, fuck. Just snuck on by me.
Yeah.
God, it's just so light.
Oh wait, let me get the gaskets for you.
I got them on there.
What's that?
I got them on.
Oh, you already? Oh shit.
Isaac's on top of his shit.
He's on point.
In. It should be.
pipe is on. It's just a little bit of a modification we had to do. But you guys want to see that? You guys get on to watch this garage channel eventually.
Theoretically.
You think we'll ever work on Andrew Tate's cars? Do an exhaust for him?
You already slid my DMs last night. I was asking to get the Bugatti in here.
I'm trying to do some top G exhaust, dude.
Hell yeah, dude.
Heart to heart with Andrew Tate.
If that's even a thing.
Oh yeah.
Oh, those are the motors, yeah.
Ah, but they don't plug in. That's all aftermarket.
So that's what that thing is for.
Yeah.
So,
But these ones, the plugs are different from the factory. I don't know if there's like licensing or whatever required, so you can have a pin that is the same as the manufacturer, but
They just never do.
BMW is different than Mercedes on this one. You got a battery in the trunk, so luckily everything just goes up into the trunk.
yeah, just gotta find a hole. All right, so we're gonna take out this heat shield right here so we can find a hole in order to route the wiring for the valves and all that stuff. Should be easy, it's like just a bunch of tins.
What was that? Holy shit.
Bottle rockets. Oh, so you're gonna shoot bottle rockets at me? Oh shit.
Got your attention.
What do you need?
So we're removing some of the interior trim pieces in order to route the wire. Isaac's figuring that out for us right now. I'm too dumb to figure out myself. So truth be told, I was willing to just drill through everything, but Isaac talked some sense into me and says, no, we gotta do it the right way and use some of the existing holes that are already there. So that's why we're taking out the interior trim. Isaac's
Yeah, look at that. I see light.
Yeah, you see it?
Yeah, that's
Is that the
fucking
one?
awesome. That's the one.
Only took us a few hours to,
That's your favorite hole?
It's my favorite hole.
yeah, figure it one more time.
Barely fits too.
Do you get demonetized for stuff like that?
Probably.
Okay.
That's the hole. We found it.
I certainly did. Without no drilling.
Just took some digging, but that's all right. Oh.
Just barely fits.
I was gonna say, spit on
There we
it.
go.
There it goes.
So you want to use the factory grommet because you don't want, you know, wires on metal because it'll eventually wear through the wiring.
Precisely. This guy
That's
knows.
never good. So that plugs directly into the valve.
Yep. This is where the other one's at. So same location.
So that's why. Okay.
And then I'll do those sticky tape
The zip tie thing.
zip tie holders right like that, or slack.
This thing's really getting the button-up treatment.
Oh yeah.
Bro, this M4 CS, man. No corners cut.
Whoa! Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic got to say. I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life. I'm about to come and run it all back. I'm the new era, about to snap back. You ain't fitting for it, cause you all cap like. Hold up, I shoot my shot. Wait, hold up. I'm really about to run this go up. You know it's all net when it go up.
Means a lot to a girl. Holy
Does it really?
Yes.
There's some crazy bitches.
All that horoscope, whatever stuff? Yeah, that shit's all fake.
Cannot deal with Scorpio.
Oh, get out of here. That's, where are you, Isaac? Do you know?
Scorpio.
Trying to decide how far out.
If it was mine, I would like that shit way higher.
Yeah.
It feels
Oh,
so
up more?
fucking low, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh shit, yeah.
It is kind of low, huh?
This side is lower than, this side's higher than this side.
I thought when we got everything bolted out, it would snug it up more, but I didn't realize too.
Yeah, it is a little bit low. So Isaac's trying to figure out how to even out the exhaust tips.
More snug. And this one's drooping lower than this side.
Yeah, that's a lot better, honestly.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah. Much better. Yeah.
Okay, so I'll drop this down a tiny bit. Yeah,
Yeah.
so that one's higher up.
Gotta lie, I'm really impressed.
Oh yeah.
Go down this.
For the bloop.
There you go.
Pretty much these two plugs here are what go to each of the valves on both sides of the muffler. So each one of these plugs into this control box, just like that. And then this is your main power that will be plugged into your cigarette lighter. Some cars usually have them plugged in at the very front of the car near your infotainment or your entertainment system, but This BMW and most other BMWs, they actually have a cigarette lighter in the trunk. So we'll pretty much just plug this into the side here on the other side, and then this plugs into the control module that will give power to this. And then from there, you have your remotes that signal to this to open and close the valves to the muffler.
Pretty easy.
So it's just 3 connections? Just each valve and then power?
Yep.
Yeah,
Damn, okay.
Oh yeah.
straightforward. Nice. Yeah,
Open.
fancy remote. Look at that. Sick. Yeah.
Bro, it's beautiful.
It's got the Lamborghini vibes to it.
Yeah.
As Michael would say.
Wait, I'm sorry, up?
No.
Start it up.
It's closed right now, so yeah. Look close.
Are they closed?
I believe they're closed. They look closed. Does it look closed? Yeah, they're closed.
Yeah, it sounds more tuned, I guess. Yeah. It's a cleaner sounding than the other one. It sounds more a little smooth. I don't know. We'll see.
Closed, it's quiet.
Yeah, it's quiet.
It's way quieter than stock.
Yeah.
And then when they open, it's about the same as stock, but like a slightly different pitch.
Yeah.
2 days later.
So a couple of you asked me, how come you're doing so many BMW videos? Where's the Supra? BMW, huh? You know, B58. But anyways, the Supra is right here, just doing some suspension. I can't talk suspension work, suspension updates. We're gonna get the car aligned. But anyways, I'll explain more in another video. Go ahead. Look at these wonderful views. It's around 9 o'clock right now. Sun's supposed to go down officially. Sunset's now behind the mountains at 9:05. But I'm just out here enjoying the views. One of the places that my buddy told me about, let me just adjust the camera. Didn't know about this place, but pretty empty. No one really comes out here, so I'm gonna take advantage of it. But so far, I am loving the new Valvemaster exhaust. Totally happy with the purchase. We will do a separate video on my review on the Valvemaster exhaust, but so far so good. Not as much rasp as I thought it would be. You know, that's typical with the S55, but we do have another part coming for the M4. I just want to get started on the BMW M4 because I've had it for a year and kept it stock until now, but so far so good. Loving this exhaust. Just want to say big thanks to Valvemaster. Can't wait to do that official dedicated video just for the exhaust, where we'll do sounds inside outside revving, typical exhaust video, but we're going to add our little twist to it. But so far the exhaust is not as loud as I thought it would be, but we're going to remedy that little issue in another video. Just my quick first impressions of the Valvemaster exhaust. Just wish it was just a teeny bit louder, but like I said, we're gonna fix that in another video. But anyways, that is it. Thanks for watching. Look at these wonderful views, guys, and just like the video just for these wonderful views alone. But anyways, that is it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys supporting the channel, and we'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.